Say hello to DIGIMEDIA Bubble-Free Vinyl, premium performance at the price of standard vinyl. DIGIMEDIA's revolutionary dot matrix adhesive makes installation easy, even for first-timers. It has a smooth application, zero bubbles, no stress, and no special tools. From store managers to staff, anyone can do it, and do it well. Real-world proof. Matthew Siddall from Stands Out UK swears by it. Our guys aren't trained vinyl installers. They work in a warehouse, and they apply this vinyl to our point-of-sale stands every day. No training, no problem. Why go bubble-free? Cut costs. No need for professional installers. Move faster. Install on your terms. Say goodbye to reprints. Clean results every time. Put the power in your hands, or your clients'. The best part? It's the most affordable bubble-free vinyl of this class on the market. No trade-offs, no compromises. Just serious performance at a price your margins will love. Be the pro. Save time, save money. Explore our full DIGIMEDIA Bubble-Free Self-Adhesive Vinyl range today and start saving on what matters most, your time. DIGIMEDIA. Print smarter, install faster.